The chair asks all members in the chamber, as well as members and staff throughout the Capitol, to rise for a moment of silence in remembrance of over 150,000 Americans who have passed away from the COVID-19 virus.
The House Speaker's request came during one of the most devastating weeks in America's battle against COVID-19. The country's daily coronavirus death toll surpassed 1,000 for a 6th straight day Saturday. The months of July as a whole saw more than 25,000 deaths. According to Johns Hopkins University, bringing the country's total number of fatalities past 150,000. America's huge number of cases earlier this year had been offset by a relatively low fatality rate, but that trajectory has now changed somewhat, and for many working on the front line, it's not a surprising turn of events.
I'm pretty much fighting two wars, a war against COVID and a war against stupidity. And the problem is that the first one, I have some hope about winning, but the second one is becoming more and more difficult to treat. And why do I say that? Because people are not listening throughout the country.
It's a trend that's expected to continue through the month of August. A new model from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention predicts about 30,000 new cases this month. Experts are saying U.S. needs to revise its containment strategy, with many questioning its testing capacities. The average time it takes to get a result there is 4 days, which for many is far too slow.
And so all these numbers about how much we test, the majority is just complete waste. You need to get it back as soon as possible so that somebody can change their behavior so they're not infecting other people.
The COVID-19 crisis is taking its toll on Donald Trump's chances of re-election. As nationwide support for a second term weakens, the president is looking to regain the public's trust with an aggressive push to finish off this alarming health crisis in time for November. Falling under Operation Warp Speed, the Trump administration said on Friday it had inked a multi-billion-dollar agreement with 2 major European drug companies for supply of vaccine for 15 million people. The long term seems to be well looked after, but is there more immediate times as thousands continue to die every week that's drawing most concern at the moment.